Hey shoppers, today we have a handheld shower head we got from Amazon. It has 10 different functions and a nice long cord, so that way when you take it off and you can use it to wash your body, you have a lot of space. The way that you adjust the modes is by simply just turning this. It comes with all the hardware you need to install it. And it has an instruction manual on how to put it together and everything that all the functions that this can do. All right, we have it nicely installed. Let's turn the water on and show you how it looks.